Hey everyone, welcome back to Market Daily, your go-to source for all things Shiba Inu. In today's video, we've got some exciting updates on Shiba Inu's price action, a new partnership expanding SHIB's use cases, and a surprising whale burn. Plus, we'll take a look at a fascinating Bitcoin chart that might just give us a glimpse into SHIB's future. So, let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about Shiba Inu's recent price pump. Over the past few days, SHIB has been trading in the green. And while there's no surefire way to know the exact reason behind this upswing, analysts have pointed to the falling US inflation rate as a potential catalyst. According to the latest report, the US inflation rate dropped to 6.5% in December, down from 7.1% in November. This marks the sixth consecutive month of declining inflation and is seen as an indicator that the Federal Reserve's interest rate hikes are starting to have their desired effect. While a 6.5% inflation rate is still relatively high, it's a step in the right direction and could be contributing to the recent uptick in SHIB's price. After all, when inflation was on the rise, the crypto market took a hit, so it makes sense that as inflation cools down, SHIB and other cryptocurrencies are seeing some positive price action. Moving on, let's talk about a new partnership that's expanding Shiba Inu's use cases. CoinGate, a crypto payment processor, recently teamed up with Wix, a global SaaS platform, to enable merchants to accept payments in various cryptocurrencies, including SHIB. This partnership is particularly significant in several European countries, such as Spain, Lithuania, Germany, and the Netherlands, where Wix has a strong presence. With this integration, hundreds of merchants and business owners in these countries can now accept SHIB as payment, further solidifying Shiba Inu's position as a viable currency. As many experts have pointed out, for any cryptocurrency to stand the test of time, it needs to have a wide range of use cases. So, it's fantastic to see Shiba Inu continually expanding its utility through strategic partnerships like this one. Now, let's get to the juicy part, the Shiba Inu price prediction for the end of January. While we're only halfway through the month, some analysts have already made their predictions based on the current market trends and sentiment. According to a poll conducted by CoinMarketCap, where members of the Shibi community voted on their price expectations, the consensus seems to be that Shiba Inu will drop a zero by January 31st, 2023. Considering SHIB's current price and the upward trend it's been experiencing, this prediction doesn't seem too far-fetched. Of course, it's important to remember that the crypto market is notorious for its volatility, and things can change at a moment's notice. However, based on Shiba Inu's recent price action, it looks like the community's prediction has a good chance of coming true. We'll just have to wait and see how things play out. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this price prediction. Do you think Shiba Inu will drop a zero by the end of January? Let me know in the comments below. Before we move on, I want to take a moment to talk about an interesting chart that was recently shared on Twitter by the handle at documentingbtc. The chart displays Bitcoin's yearly price candles from 2012 to 2022, and there are a few key takeaways. Firstly, the chart shows that Bitcoin had a rough year in 2022, with the candle being predominantly red, indicating negative price action. However, when you zoom out and look at the bigger picture, you'll notice that this isn't the first time Bitcoin has experienced a down year. In 2014, Bitcoin's candle was also red, but the following 3 years were all green, signaling positive growth. A similar pattern emerged after the red candle of 2019, with 2020 and 2021 being some of the best years for Bitcoin and the broader crypto market. So, what does this mean for Shiba Inu? Well, as we've seen in the past, when Bitcoin thrives, the rest of the crypto market tends to follow suit, including Shiba. If history repeats itself and Bitcoin bounces back in 2023 and beyond, we could see Shiba Inu experience significant growth as well. This theory aligns with the price predictions we discussed earlier and the fact that Shibi burn rates have been on the rise. While this is all speculative and not financial advice, it's definitely an interesting perspective to consider. Speaking of burn rates, let's talk about the recent whale burn that's been making waves in the Shiba Inu community. A mysterious wallet has taken it upon themselves to burn a whopping 20 million SHIB tokens in 2 separate transactions within a 15-hour period. This burn alone caused the overall SHIB burn rate to spike by more than 38%, which is a huge deal. While the identity of the wallet owner remains unknown, We do know that the wallet holds around 1 billion shibi. Burns like this are always exciting for the Shiba Inu community, as they help reduce the circulating supply of shib, which can potentially drive up the token's value. With the upcoming launch of Shibarium, we may see even more burns in the future, as the Layer 2 solution is expected to incorporate a burn mechanism. As we wrap up this video, I want to remind you that this is not financial advice, and you should always do your own research before making any investment decisions. That being said, it's hard not to be excited about the recent developments in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. From expanding use cases to promising price predictions and whale burns, there's a lot to be optimistic about. But what do you think? Do you believe Shiba Inu is poised for a breakout year in 2023? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Shiba Inu updates and analysis. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and fellow Shibi enthusiasts. Let's get this news out there. Until next time, stay informed, stay curious, and keep hodling those SHIB tokens.